friends, welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen, the 330th episode and the 8th episode of Ellen's Christmas Series 2019. I'm Ellen. Hope all you're doing well. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make chocolate mint fudge. And my friends, it is thebomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, simple and easy to make, and it's going to be full of chocolate mint goodness. If you're a fan of chocolate and mint, y'all gonna love this fudge. And these would make great holiday gifts to give to loved ones. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Christmas treats recipes playlist for more recipes. So grab your chocolate chips, your mint extract, and your sweetened condensed milk sugar, because we're about to make some chocolate mint fudge magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my pot, I got the fire over low heat. We're going to add in 2 cups of milk chocolate chips and 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk. Going to give that a quick stir until the chocolate melts. Alright my friends, the chocolate is nice and melted. So now I'll cut the fire off. For the last ingredient, we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. And stir that in until it's well incorporated. Alright my friends, the chocolate filling is complete. Ooh, look at that. Alright, that looks great. Now we're ready to pour it into our pan. We're going to pour and spread half of the chocolate mixer into my square pan lined with wax paper. Alrighty my friend, now we're going to put it in the refrigerator and we're going to let it chill for 10 minutes. And we're going to let the other half of the chocolate filling sit at room temperature. Alright my friends, while our milk chocolate is firming, let's go ahead and make white chocolate mint. So in my pot, I got the fire over low heat. We're going to add in half a bag of white chocolate chips, which is half of a 12-ounce bag, and the remaining sweetened condensed milk. Going to give that a quick stir until it melts. Alright my friends, the white chocolate is nice and thick. See? Alright, that looks great. So now I'll cut the fire off. And next we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of mint extract. And stir that in. And then I'm going to put the white chocolate mixture into the bowl and I'm going to add in some green food coloring. Alright my friends, our milk chocolate is nice and firm. So now we're going to add in the mint white chocolate mixture right on top. Look at that beautiful green color. Ain't nothing like chocolate and mint. Perfect for the holidays. I can smell the mint extract. Amazing. And then we're going to spread it right on top. Alright my friends, and now we're going to pour in the rest of the milk chocolate mixture and spread it on top of the mint mixture. Alrighty my friends, now we're going to put it back in the refrigerator and we're going to let it chill for 2 hours until firm. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, chocolate mint fudge is nice and chill. So now we're going to cut them into squares. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting the rest of my fudge, and then I'll put them on my cake stand and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Chocolate mint fudge. Don't that look pretty and festive? Look at the layers of chocolate and the mint in the middle. Alright, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Ooh, look at that beautiful square. Mmm. Tis the season for mint chocolate. Fa la 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 la. La 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 la. Chewy. I just love the combination of mint and chocolate. This is scrumptious. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Incredible. Chocolate mint fudge delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love, Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays.